Welcome to Farming 4.0. Today we're taking you on a fascinating journey through the complete process of making ketchup, from planting the tomato seeds to bottling the final product. In this video, you'll discover the meticulous steps involved in cultivating the perfect tomatoes, the advanced technology used in harvesting and processing, and the careful methods applied to ensure every bottle of ketchup meets the highest standards of quality and taste. Join us as we dive into each stage of this incredible process. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest innovations in the agricultural world. Together, let's cultivate a smarter, more sustainable future for farming. The first crucial step is fertilizing the soil. As you can see, our state-of-the-art tractor is distributing a precise mix of nutrients, ensuring that the soil is rich and ready for planting. With the soil now fertile and full of essential nutrients, it's time to plant the tomato seedlings. Using advanced planting machinery, we carefully place each seedling into the ground, ensuring optimal spacing for healthy growth. This precise process helps maximize yield and ensures that each plant has enough room to thrive. To ensure the health and vigor of our tomato plants, we use advanced spraying systems to apply protective treatments. These sprays help eliminate any potential contaminants and pests that could harm the young plants. By doing this early, we set the stage for strong and healthy growth, ensuring a bountiful and high-quality harvest. Once the tomato plants have fully grown, it's time for the exciting phase of harvesting. Using high-quality harvesting machinery, we carefully pick the ripe tomatoes at their peak of freshness. These advanced machines ensure that the tomatoes are handled gently to avoid any damage, preserving their quality and taste. After harvesting, the tomatoes are transported with great care to our storage facilities. Specialized transport systems ensure that the tomatoes remain fresh and undamaged during transit. This careful handling is crucial to maintaining the quality of the tomatoes as they make their way to the next stage of processing. Once harvested and transported to our facilities, the tomatoes undergo rigorous quality checks before being processed into ketchup. But where do the final products end up? Well, the journey of our tomatoes doesn't end there. While some of them are destined for our ketchup production line, Others are carefully packaged and distributed to supermarkets and grocery stores near you. That's right, you might find the very tomatoes we've grown right in your local supermarket aisle. Once our ripe tomatoes arrive at the ketchup factory, they undergo the first step of processing: thorough washing. Using state-of-the-art washing equipment, each tomato is carefully cleaned to remove any dirt, debris, or residues that may have accumulated during transport. This meticulous process ensures that only the freshest and cleanest tomatoes are used in our ketchup production, maintaining the highest standards of quality and hygiene. With our tomatoes thoroughly washed and sorted, it's time for the next exciting step in the ketchup-making process: chopping and processing. Using advanced chopping and processing equipment, the ripe tomatoes are expertly diced and crushed into a fine pulp. This finely chopped mixture is the heart of our ketchup, bursting with fresh flavor and vibrant color. Each tomato is handled with precision to ensure consistent texture and taste in every batch of ketchup. With our delicious ketchup fully processed and seasoned to perfection, it's time for the grand finale: bottling. In the bottling section of our factory, the freshly made ketchup is carefully poured into our iconic ketchup bottles. Each bottle is filled with just the right amount of ketchup, ensuring that every squeeze delivers the perfect amount of flavor to your favorite dishes. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and to turn on the notification bell to receive alerts when I post new content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos.